Hope Mills Glass is a full-service glass company specializing in commercial, residential, and automobile glass and window repair. You have a problem? We have the trained professionals who've been in the glass business for over 30 years. There's no issue too big or too small for us to tackle. From windshields, broken mirrors, car door mechanisms, screen doors, tabletops, shower doors, and even home decor. We are the #1 trusted glass company in the area, having developed many relationships with the great people of our beautiful community. So stop on by, 211 Southeastern Boulevard right here in Fayetteville. We have the best prices in town, and we offer same-day service. If you're not in the neighborhood, visit us online at hopemillsglassco.com. With the most competitive prices, expert staff, and limitless capabilities, we know that any worry you have is nothing but a problem solved when you bring it to Hope Mills Glass.